Hey everyone, how are you feeling that we've got a new crypto president? Markets are reacting positively. Bitcoin's just put in a new all-time high of 75,457. Altcoins are doing this. So I take it you're happy, guys. We've got lots to talk about in this video, but before we get in, I just want to say, welcome to crypto, Mr. President. Okay, and as Mr. Musk says, let that sink in. So while that sinks in for you, Elon, we're going to take a look at the markets and let me know, guys, in the comments what your P&L looked like from yesterday within the last 24 hours to now. What does it look like? Because the market as a whole has done this. You see any red bubbles in there, guys? Ranging between 10 and 50%. And we got some big movers of the day. GOAT, 47.1%. That's the biggest mover of the day within the top 100 cryptos. You've got some of the big movers here within the top three, 31.3%, and that's Uniswap. You've got Aave down here, 23.1%. You've got Injective Protocol, 22.4%. So we've got some big movers within the altcoin space. And it's only early on, guys. It's only early on. So the main thing that we need to do in the short term, main thing we need to be doing in the short term is we need a break and we need a close above the Bitcoin's previous all-time high, which is sat 73,743. So you can see we're currently testing that. It's looking like we're going to get that break. It's looking like we're going to get that close, but all eyes on Bitcoin on the daily close in 13 hours and 30 when this candle closes. If we get a candle which closes above here, there's a high probability tomorrow's candle is going to come back down, retest that as confirmation, and that previous bull market high is going to act as support where it was previous resistance. We'd expect it to flip support. And if it flips support, guys, that's creating higher highs, higher lows. That's what we're waiting for, a confirmed bull run. So what other metrics have we got? What other indications have we got? This is the Bitcoin dominance. So the Bitcoin dominance, we've been saying, it's been in this channel for over 2.5 years. It's been in this channel for nearly 3 years. It's at the top of this channel now. Bitcoin's breaking through all-time highs. The dominance is at the top of the channel. And what do we need the dominance to do? We need the dominance to pull back. We need the dominance to pull back. As the dominance is pulling back, and the Bitcoin price is doing this, going up, it means that the altcoin swings are even larger with bigger gains. So that's when the dominance is coming down. That means that the altcoins are going to start outperforming Bitcoin for the first time in nearly 3 years as a whole. So this is a good indication, guys. This is a strong indication because we haven't broken this trend line, since 24th of January 2022 when this trend line started. Nearly 3 years, guys. Right, okay, so the next thing is going to be the strength of the dollar, guys. How strong is the dollar? How did the dollar react on the back of the news yesterday? This is the day. This is the USDT dominance. So dominance of the dollar within the crypto market. Is this good? Yes. That's what we want, guys. We want this market to go down. We want the dollar to go down. As the dollar goes down, crypto goes up. It's as simple as that. People sell their dollars and buy more speculative assets. The more speculative assets that they're buying is going to give them more gains than the dollar. That is crypto, guys. And then the total three, look at this. We broke and we closed below the total three within the last couple of days. We broke and we closed below. What happened yesterday? On the back of it, one candle, bam, straight above the 200 daily moving average. That's strong. What else, guys? What else? You've got something happening here today. You've got something happening today on the total three. And this is big. The golden cross is happening today. If this dominance, if total three never broke and closed above this 200 daily moving average today, and get the cross today. It has. It's broken and it's closed above. So we're going to get the golden cross today. We're going to get a golden cross on the total three. See, all the metrics are coming into play. Bitcoin putting through all-time high. Bitcoin dominance dropping at strong resistance after nearly 3 years. USDT dominance dropping. And then the total three breaking, closing above its 200 daily moving average. Golden cross confirming today. These are the indications that we need, guys. So we're going to have a look at a couple of altcoins. I'll have a look at how the altcoins from the videos yesterday performed. Before we do get into that, guys, just want to show you my portfolio as a whole. This is the Bullseye portfolio. Every single one of my entries within the portfolio has been done either on a video on YouTube or within the free Discord group. So this is what the Discord group looks like, guys. They were absolutely buzzing about this news this morning. So get yourself on there, guys. Link in the description below. Right, Bullseye portfolio. Yesterday, I was in a loss yesterday, guys, at one point. Now it's $309.92 in profit, 11.1% on the day. And you can see that we've got some big movers for the day. The biggest one was Injective. You've got Scallop 19.6%. Injective was 22.3%. You've got Fetch AI 19.4%. You've got Rune 18.8%. So we've got some big movers within the portfolio within the last 24 hours. And the P&L looks like that. So follow my portfolio, guys. Join the Discord group. Right, okay, let's have a look at a couple of altcoins. We're going to go over the picks from yesterday's video, see how they've performed. But we're going to start with Ethereum. The reason why I'm starting with Ethereum is because we want to see how Ethereum runs. This is going to be one of the front runners within the crypto bull run. So I want Ethereum to catch up to Bitcoin within the next 30 days. So in the short term, a break and a close above 2,776.61 for Ethereum. It's good that we're regaining the 50-period moving average. We're just waiting for this to happen, waiting for a golden cross on Ethereum. It's lagging compared to Bitcoin. It's lagging compared to Total 3. But this is what we want to happen in the short term. Bam, regain, golden cross. And then for Ethereum to start putting in those higher highs and higher lows and confirming the next bull run. So why do you think that people go into Ethereum after Bitcoin? And why am I expecting an Ethereum run next? Simple, guys. We talked about the last 2.5 years to 3 years. While the dominance has been going up, people have been putting their money into Bitcoin because that's going to give them the least. It's going to give them the most gains within a bear market. So you're in Bitcoin in the bear market. You've gone from 15,000 all the way to 75,000. And then you've hit a top. You've put an all-time high top. Is Bitcoin going to do a 2x, a 3x, a 4x, a 5x from here? Probably not. Are the altcoins? Potentially. So people are coming out of the dominance, guys. This is what I mean. People are coming out of the dominance. They've got enough out of Bitcoin. They've ran from 15 to 75,000. Bitcoin's not going to do those kind of gains again. So they'll be coming out of their Bitcoin. They want their 4Xs. They want their 5Xs. They want their 6Xs. So they're going to be going into altcoins. They're going to go into the least risky asset. That's Ethereum after Bitcoin. So that's why we're expecting that run. All goes down into market cap conviction, guys. Highest market cap, next highest market cap, next highest market cap. When the bull run's confirmed, people go degen. So that's Ethereum. Solana's running. Solana's actually running more than Ethereum. So the price to break in the short term on Solana is 210.41. We've got all-time highs sat up here, 258.66, should I say. So that's the one in the short term for Solana to beat, is this previous high here. Then it can really start getting the bull run confirmed. Next one, Chainlink. We covered Chainlink yesterday. Since we covered Chainlink yesterday, it's moved, along with all the rest of the altcoins, 10% to the upside. We're looking for a break here, guys. We're looking for a break here. Once you've got that break, once you've got the break, you're going to get a break above the 200 daily moving average. If you don't get this break, you're not going to get this break. If you don't get that break, you're coming back into trend. So wait for the break, wait for the close above the 200 period moving average. And that one looks good for me on Chainlink. Phantom, this one's moved as well since yesterday. 14.13% on Phantom. 13.14%. Okay. We've had a golden cross. We've regained the 200 period moving average. It's going to be really important that we regain this 50 period moving average in the short term. So ideally, you want a candle close above at the end of the day. 13 hours and 8. Candle closing above the 50 period moving average. And then finally, we'll look at Gala. That's moved as well since yesterday. There's the entry point since yesterday, 11.79% on Gala. To be honest with you guys, I could do that on any altcoin and it's going to be moving today. Right, okay, so if you did like this video, guys, let me know in the comments what you want me to cover next. Get yourself on the Discord group. Completely free, and I'll see you in the next one.